All right, we are in the forest here at Pikakari Nudist beach in Tallinn, Estonia. So just very close from the main public textile beach Pikakari, around 1 kilometer across the forest we can find this nudist beach, and I am now at the very beginning on the beach, and here it is quite calm, but there are a lot more people, few more people actually, towards the middle and the end of the beach, and it is mostly sandy at the middle of the beach, and at the closest you get to the sea, and the water is the same as the public beach Pikakari. So this is the only unofficial nudist beach in Tallinn, Estonia that I have seen, and it's also noted down as that on Wikipedia if you search for nudist beaches in Europe. And yeah, so it is an unofficial actually, but I see people being naked on the beach, which is perfectly fine on a hot day like this, 3rd of August 2024. Currently it is 5:20 p.m. and we have 20 degrees Celsius in the air and 22 in the sea that I have measured on the public beach actually. So yes, Beach Adventures with Chris are exploring the nudist beach here in Tallinn, Estonia. So let's then take a swim here on this nudist beach, Pikakari, in Tallinn. The water is the same as the public beach that's on the other side, and it's right in the middle of nature here, so it's quite decent, and you can find your own inner peace here. So yes, let's then take a swim here, right? Let's then go! Amazing. So the bottom here is actually sandy, as you can see, and there are some rocks here and there as such, but it's definitely a nice way to take a swim here at Pikakari beach. So yeah, quite amazing and scenic view here we have on the beach, the nudist beach. But to be fair, there are also some people passing by with their clothes on their walk. But yeah, that is why it is an unofficial nudist beach. So yes, if you are planning to visit Tallinn and want to check out a nudist beach, so this is a nudist beach to check out, Pikakari, located just 6 kilometers away from the Tallinn center. There is also even a bus that can get you here, but you can obviously walk like I did. It's quite a pleasant walk indeed. Right, so that's a wrap from Pikakari Nudist Beach in Tallinn, Estonia. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!